Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
This guide explains how to use dual SIM on your Pixel 7 Pro step by step. The phone supports one physical nano-SIM plus one or more eSIM profiles from carriers. Dual SIM lets you have two active numbers for calls and texts simultaneously, while data uses one active line at a time. Confirm that your carriers support eSIM activation and 5G roaming before you begin. Keep both account details and QR codes handy for smooth activation when switching networks or traveling internationally. Start by inserting a physical nano-SIM into the SIM tray if you have one. Then open Settings, choose Network and Internet, and tap Add SIM to install an eSIM using a carrier QR code or the carrier app. After both numbers appear, assign clear labels like primary and secondary to avoid confusion during calls. Select which line you want for cellular data and set your preferred line for calls or texts. Restart the phone when prompted to complete activation and verify signal bars for both lines. Manage which line handles cellular data in settings under Cellular Network Preferences and switch between lines instantly when needed. You can set a default line for calls and texts or choose a line per contact to simplify regular communication. Enable preferred network type for each line to select 5G, 4G, or LTE depending on coverage and roaming costs. Monitor data usage per line to avoid overages and set limits if necessary. If connectivity problems persist, reset network settings or contact your carrier for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.